Hello everyone and welcome back to the question of the week challenge on your favorite YouTube channel, The Power of Excel. In the last question of the week contest last week, the question I had asked everyone was, which function in Microsoft Excel can be used as an alternative to the VLOOKUP function? And the answer to this question is the index function. Out of the numerous responses we got on different social media platforms, the lucky winner for this contest is Mr. Garvit Singh. Congratulations, Garvit. Well done. And a gift voucher from Amazon is coming your way really shortly. Now, coming to the question of the week contest for this particular week, the question I have for all of you is, which function in Microsoft Excel can be used to compare if two numerical values are equal or not? I repeat, which function in Microsoft Excel can be used to compare and find out if two numerical values are equal or not? Mind you, we are not talking about comparing textual values here or alphanumeric values. We're only looking at numerical values. Please post in your answers in the comment section, and I'll be looking forward to answering this question in the next question of the week contest in a few days' time. Till then, this is Dr. Ankit Mahindroo signing off. Take care. Bye bye.